Hey there, I'm Erleen Tilton, the Happy Gut Foodie from ErleenTilton.com. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a delicious soft ginger cookies recipe with healthy food alternatives. These are super tasty. You'd never know. They are gluten-free, dairy-free, sugar-free too. After watching, make sure you go to the comments section and download my Happy Gut Desserts Guide. Wow, I love these. So if you're looking for a simple recipe for sugar-free Christmas cookies, these chewy Christmas ginger cookies are it. And these are paleo cookies, completely free of any grains or flours, which support a healthy gut diet plan too. So start by preheating your oven to 375, and in a mixing bowl, we're going to combine 1 cup of almond butter and 1 cup of baked sweet potatoes, a 1/3 cup of pure maple syrup, 2 teaspoons chia seeds, and 1 teaspoon vanilla. Then we're going to blend this all together with a mixer until it's nice and smooth. Then we're going to add a 1/2 teaspoon salt, a 1/2 teaspoon baking soda, and my secret sauce, 10 drops of ginger essential oil. Oh, so yummy and good for digestion. 4 drops of cinnamon essential oil and 2 drops of clove. These are great for immune boosting, especially at this time of year. Add a 1/2 cup of dry currants and a 1/2 cup of chopped walnuts. Then again, we're going to mix it all together until it is well blended. Now we're ready to drop it on our baking sheet, and that can either be greased or you can put parchment on there, but you can see this dough is very soft. Now we're going to put it in the oven and bake it for 15 to 18 minutes, and you've got these delicious, soft, chewy ginger cookies. Make sure you go to the description, ask your questions, comment, download my Happy Gut Desserts ebook there, then like and subscribe. See you in the next video.